Have you ever felt like you understand English, you can read English, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. You start translating, and suddenly you lose confidence. What if I told you you are learning English the wrong way? Fluency is not about training your mind, it's about training your mouth. Yes, your mouth. So, in today's video, I will show you how to speak English fluently without overthinking. Most people focus only on learning. They learn grammar rules, they memorize vocabulary, they watch videos, they read books, but still they cannot speak fluently. Why? Because speaking is not just knowledge, it is a skill. You can watch 100 videos on swimming, but you still can't swim until you jump into the water. Same with English. You are training your mind but ignoring your mouth. So, what does train your mouth mean? It means speak again and again. Repeat sentence daily. Make your tongue comfortable with English. Fluency is not thinking. Fluency is automatic speaking. When you say, "How are you?" "I'm fine." You don't think right. That because your mouth is trained. Think about children. They don't learn grammar first. They repeat words, they copy sounds, they speak again and again. Even if they speak wrong, they keep speaking. And that's why they become fluent. Repetition is the real secret of fluency. So stop asking, "Do I know enough English?" Start asking, "Am I speak enough English?" Most people think, "I will speak when I become perfect." But perfection never comes first. Speaking comes first, mistake come first, confidence comes later. So start speaking. Broken English, simple English, whatever you know. Because silence will never improve your English. Now let's talk about what you should do daily. Talk to yourself daily practice. I am waking up. I am eating food. I am going outside. Simple sentence but very powerful. Second, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. It improves confidence, expression, clarity. And third, repeat after videos. Watch an English video, pause it, and repeat exactly like the speaker. Copy pronunciation, speed, tone. And fourth, use fixed sentence. Use ready-made sentence like, "Let me think. I don't understand. Can you repeat that?" These help you speak instantly. And 5. Record yourself. Record your voice daily. Yes, it will feel awkward at first, but this is where real improvement happens. If you are thinking in Hindi and then translating into English, you will always be slow. Instead, start thinking directly in English. Start small. This is a chair. I am walking. I am eating. Train your brain slowly, but train your mouth daily. Confidence does not come from thinking, it comes from speaking. Every time you speak, you reduce fear. Every time you try, you improve. So don't wait for confidence. Create it by speaking daily. Fluency is not about big vocabulary, perfect grammar. Fluency is about speaking smoothly, expressing your ideas, not stopping again and again. And this happens only when your mouth is trained. So remember this. Don't just learn English, speak English. Don't just think, use your mouth. Because fluency is not in your mind, it is in your practice. Start today, speak today, and become fluent step by step. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more English learning content.